Everyone, I am Pranesh from first BBA CA. Every journey begins with a single step, and today I am taking mine by sharing a few words with all of you. My topic for today is believe in yourself. Sometimes we fail, sometimes we feel like we are not good enough, but failure is not the end. It is just another step in our journey. We don't need to become successful overnight. We just need to keep learning. Even we need to become successful overnight. We just need to keep moving forward, even if the steps is small. There is a saying: a river cuts through rock not because of its power, because of its persistence. So, whatever your goal is, don't give up when things get difficult. Keep learning, keep trying, and keep moving forward. So, story is not decided how many times you fall, but by how many times you choose to stand again. Finally, one small quote for all. You want to achieve something, you must have the courage to take the first step. Thank you until we meet again. Keep believing in yourself.